All right, guys. So, depression is real. SAD, a seasonal associative disorder, affective disorders, SAD. So, that's something that I definitely suffer with, and I kind of had to deal with that for a large part of my life, and so I love gardening, and gardening has really saved my life. It's helped me to move forward because I kind of had given up hope. I really wanted to be in the country and to have our own farm and do all those things. And I do believe those things are coming, but we have to find gratitude where we are. And so the garden has helped me. And so you can grow something no matter where you are. Keep growing.